In this video, we are going to talk about custom fields on the AuctionWorx website. First, let's talk about what custom fields are. Custom fields allow you to add additional fields to your lots, which can be used to store extra information that's not included by default. Let's see how to create a custom field for lots. Navigate to Admin Control Panel. Click on Lot Customs Fields under Auction section menu. Click on the Create Lot Field button. Here, you'll need to provide a name for your custom field. Select the type of field, such as text, for showing the simple text value. Yes or no, for selecting one or more options. Date, for selecting and showing the date. Decimal number, for showing the accurate number. Option list, for selecting multiple options. Or whole number, for positive number. You can choose whether it's required. Can specify default value. By default, custom field values are only visible on the listing detail page. Selecting additional options makes them visible in other specified areas. If this option is selected, the custom field will be included on sales invoices. If selected this, the custom field will be included as a column in Sales Report CSV. And, if selected this, the custom field will be included on consignor statements. For this, it will be included as a column in the CSV of the consignment sales report. You can set who can view and edit this custom field as shown here. Set these according to your needs. You can assign this custom field to all categories. So, let's create this custom field as an option list field. With option values, new, poor, and some other option values. Now that we've created our custom field, let's assign a value to it by editing or creating a lot. We have an existing lot, so let's edit it. You'll see a new field for conditions where you can select the value. On the lot detail page, you can view the condition, custom field, and its value. One of the powerful features of custom fields is their use in searches and filters. Users can search lots based on the custom fields you've set up, making it easier to find exactly what they're looking for. Similarly, we can add custom fields for events as well by navigating to Events Custom Field page and adding the field. Here, I created this event custom field to display the pickup location on the event detail page. Similarly, we can add custom fields for users as well by navigating to Users Custom Field page and adding the field. I created this user custom field to collect the user's business phone number during registration and on the My Account page. This is how you can add custom fields to store and display additional information. Thank you for watching.